Want your videos to look like this and go viral? Let me show you how to edit viral shots with your phone. Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Soundsboy. In this video I'll be showing you how to edit viral shots using your phone and CapCut app step by step. Make sure you watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you the secret that keeps people watching your videos online. Step 1, start with a strong hook. Your first 3 seconds matters a lot. If your intro is boring, people will scroll. Do this instead. Start with action, ask questions and show results immediately. Step 2, cut out all dead space. Tap your clip, split your clip, remove silence. I personally use Premiere Pro Mobile to do this on my videos. If you want to see how I use Premiere Pro to do it, check out this video or check out my channel for the tutorial. Every second must be interesting, no pauses. So guys, in the Premiere Pro app, this is how I cut out places I'm not talking. That is these silence places. So I'm going to scroll here. As you can see, all these places I wasn't talking. So let me cut it where I started talking. I started talking here. So I'm going to cut this beginning part, split and delete. So now I'm going to drag this timeline a bit. So now why I use Premiere Pro to do this is because Premiere Pro gives me the advantage of seeing my audio. As you can see, all these places that the waves are up, that's where I'm talking. Then these places that are like thin line, I wasn't saying anything there. So this is what I do. I just click on this. I'll click on split, come to this place, click on split, come here, 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 click on split. As you can see, this makes my video very easy and faster. Let me just delete these spaces so you see what I'm talking about. Let me just play this video for you to see. Okay, I just feel like reminding you this today. Your season is not over. The delay isn't denial. Tell me the truth. Use the comment section. If you're watching this video online, you feel like I'm very perfect with what I'm doing, but this is it. I was reading what I was saying. Let me continue the video so you see what I'm saying. Yeah, see, I'm trying to showing up even when it gets quiet. Step 3, add fast zoom effect. This is the best of them all. Tap the clip on your editing software. Adding keyframe to your videos help your videos a lot. That is this zoom in and zoom out that you see on most big creators. And here's how I do it. Just going to click on this clip here. As you can see, this thing that has plus here, I'm going to click on it. Then I'll move my video a bit forward. Then I'm going to use my hand to pinch myself out just like this. And this is it. Okay, I just feel like reminding you, see, to sell this more, you just need to add sound effect to it. I'm going to be making another tutorial video of how I add sound effect to my transitions and my zoom in effect. There are a lot of things you could do with this zoom in. Let me try one more to make you understand. So I'm going to bring back this zoom in I did. I'm going to click on this keyframe, then I'm going to return it to the normal state. So this is it. Okay, I just feel like reminding you this too. You see, so let me show you one more trick you can use. Have you seen a video whereby they will zoom in the subject this way and bring the person to the side and put some right up in this particular place that there is space? So this is how they do it. Today your season is not over. You see, they can write your season is not over here. You get. Step 4, add big bold captions to your videos. Adding bold captions to your video help your video to stand out a lot. Let me add one to this one so you can see. Your season is not over. So now let me add big bold text immediately I zoomed in here. So I'm going to go to text. I'm going to write your season is not over. This is it. Imagine watching this video and you see this way. Your season is not over. Your season. So this is it. You see something like this. Your season is not over. You're going to be interested in watching it. Step 5, use trending audios. Adding trending sounds to your video is very easy. Just go on TikTok, go on. There are other platforms you can check it out. You can check it on YouTube Music, but make sure the sound you're downloading is copyright free. All you have to do is to click on this audio, click on sounds. The sound is already on your phone. You click on this file, then you click on device, you select from your device. I'm just going to select a random sound here to use for an example. Let me use this sound. I'm going to click on plus button and your sound will be playing in your background, just make sure you reduce your sound. Let it not be over your voice, so your voice will still be clear. Step 6, color and sharpen. Make sure your video is well color graded and the sharpness of your video. For my color grading, nowadays I use Premiere Pro to color grade, and here's the reason. Premiere Pro gives you more details on color grading. You can color grade this bottle, you can color grade my shirt separately, you can color grade the background separately. A lot of things to do there, but let me show you the basic color grading you can do on your CapCut app. Click on your file, then you go to adjustment. Okay, adjust. You click on brightness, bring your brightness a bit. Click on contrast, add contrast a bit. Click on saturation a bit. Brilliance, I normally take it down a bit. Then you increase your sharpening. Then your graph, bring down this white a bit, not just too much. Then you click on highlights, you take your highlight down. Click on shadow, increase your shadows a bit. Temperature, if you want it cold or warm, but I want it this way, and that's all. This is the basic color grading you can do to your video. Your season is not over, the delay is. Step 7, add good sound effects. Talking about sound effects, you can get your sound effects here on sound effects. Once you click on sound effects, there will be a list of sounds here. You can search for your sound. All those little sounds add more details to your video and make your video engagement increase drastically. Add pop sound, add click sound, add wish sound to transition, and etc. Step 8, use the right format. Make sure your videos are vertical. Horizontal videos don't do well on short. Now we are talking about shorts, not long YouTube format videos. Make sure you use the right format. Make sure you use vertical 9:16. And here is how we do it. You click on, just go over to where there's aspect ratio, click on it, then you click on 9:16. All you have to do is to zoom in your video to fit in that 9:16. If you shut your video, your season is not over. You get? So this is how your video is supposed to look like. Step 9, export settings. Here on export setting, here is where the mind games plays, because I don't think there's any special way to export your video. Export in 1080p and high quality. Low quality, less view. So this is 1080p, 30 frames per second. This bitrate is 10. Click on your export button, and that's all. Secret step, and it's the most important. This is what makes your videos go viral. Make sure something is happening every 2 to 3 seconds. Movement, text, zoom, anything. If you found this video helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I post tutorial videos daily. Thank you for watching.